Welcome to my video. I hope I can give you a good instruction how to make the pattern for marshmallows. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you. I will now show you how to do the lace. You purl this one, and then you knit this one and put it back on the left needle, slip over the next stitch and the next and the third one, and you put it back on the right needle and tighten a little. Then yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over and knit. And now you have 4 left. Then you slip the next 2. It's important that they lean to the left side, and you knit the last 2 together, and then you slip over the first one and the second one, and then you purl the last 2. I hope you understand. I know you knit in another way than me, but I hope it's okay. Thank you.